In the last video, I talked about the Excel functions that helps me to combine text cells together. Now I want to talk about the splitting text functions. Sometimes we have a text in a cell and we need to split it and get some characters out of it. So I can say I found this spreadsheet on Kaggle, and I didn't spend any time to go through it and find out what what information is there in what kind of data is there in each column, but it contains some sales data. So in column B, I have an order ID. I know that some kind of order ID is not like combined of like some random characters, letters, and numbers together. So I assume that maybe I guess the first two letter in the beginning of the order ID could show the cell representative that got the order. Assume that I wanna have a separate column that contains the first two letters in the beginning of the order ID, which shows the employee or sales representative uh, that got that order. So for this purpose, I need to extract two characters from left. So there is an Excel function that helps me with this task. I use left function. In this cell C2, I enter equal, and as soon as I type LE with the first suggestion, Excel suggests me left function, and I press tab button, and I can uh, start working with this function. As the first input, I should tell the function where the text is located. What is the text that I'm gonna split something from the left side. So I pick B2, which contains the text that I'm gonna work with. And as the second input, I should tell the function how many characters from the left I need to extract. And in this case, I need 2 characters from left. And I close the bracket and enter, and it shows me the first 2 letters in this text. Sometimes I need to extract some characters from the right side. For example, in this order ID, I have a 6-digit number at the end, which shows like the order code. Probably, I don't know about like the information in this spreadsheet. Probably is an order code, and I need to extract it in a separate column. So for this purpose, I use right function. I simply enter equal, and as soon as I type RI, it shows me the right function as the first suggestion. And I push tab button, and the function is there, and I can start fit the function with the right inputs. So the first thing that I need to put I need to specify is that where the text is located. So the text is in B2 cell, so I choose B2. And the second input would be the number of characters from the right that I want to split from this text, which in this case is 6. So I enter 6 and close the bracket and enter, and I have the order code in this cell. So up to now, I showed you how to extract some characters from the left side or right side of the text. However, sometimes I need to extract some characters from the middle of a text. So for example, in this order ID, I have 4 digits in the middle, which shows the year probably. And I want to extract it. It's not in the left side or the right side. So for this purpose, I use a meet function. I type equal mi, and as soon as I press tab button, it shows me the right function for this problem. So I need to specify where the text is located. I pick the B2 that contains the text that I'm looking for, and then it asks me where to begin and split the characters. So in this uh, in this problem, I wanted to start from the first character that begin from the first character and split 4 character from the text. So I want to begin from the first character. So I put 4 here, and then how many characters I wanna split starting from the first character is again 4. So it shows me the number of characters that I want to extract from that position, starting that position. So I close the bracket here and press enter, and it show me 2017, which is the year. Now I have the right information, right data in the first row, but it's a huge spreadsheet, more than 7,000 rows, and I want to fill all the rows with this data. So I pick all these 3 cells and double click in the fill handle here. And now all the rows are filled with the right data. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.